Hello folks, we've got a Harvard, we haven't got a Harrier CBX here. You won't have seen the service video because I've lost the memory card. We've done this, there's a bit wrong with this one. So, as you all know, it's upper tier Cybernet 134 set, like the Harvard 420 Emmys and the Fidelity 2000. We've got 4 watts on it, it came in at 3.1 watts, and it's got a crystal filter in it, and we've got to evaluate whether that's working properly. It looks like it's working on the test instruments, but we can never be sure. I've done the VCO and there was intermittent no receive, which is dry joints. There's also wire off on the delta tune switch. Now that could have meant it was off frequency plus or minus, I don't know, and I'm not going to bother investigating. The receive meter was so stupid, it was set to 7.2 microvolts for S9, which was so oversensitive. There's a lot of noise on today. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel, and the camera's only got 18 minutes of battery life in it. Tango 21 test.
Stand by.
Roger. So whilst we stand by, I can see this coming to a full stop and a comma long before we get finished. Have any idea where the mains adapter is for this camera? No. Make sure these are in the right position. We had the front panel off this as well to deal with putting some Service-All switch cleaner into mic gain, squelch and volume, which were noisy, and you have to take the front panel off to get to the kind of hole in the control, enabling you to put some switch cleaner in there.
Right, ready when you are.
Right, we're all ready. Got off you go. Got the extension speaker in.
Roger. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger and that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so
Hello?
we're heading up the lane.
High.
Towards the end of it, now passing
Medium.
Parking place and doggy daycare, which is in use.
Roger on that, all demonstrated.
Roger.
We're on a standard replacement mic throughout this. At the end, we'll go to the factory original.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Passing Ancaster service station 160.9 and 181.9. Roger on that. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads. Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on the Harrier CBX, which uses the upper tier version of Cybernet 134 from 1981. I'm on the standard replacement line Radio 64.
Roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kilby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kilby turn.
Passing the Wilsford, not the Wilsford turn, the Greyleys turn.
Sure you would be. Roger on that.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. I'm on the Harrier CBX doing full forward output, 1.1 amps. Going to go with the low power, it's at 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5462. There we are, back on full power, over.
Roger's out, no problems on full power. It does seem a bit noisy tonight. Low power had to override the squelch and you weren't very legible.
Well done, now just stand by, I'm going to change cam recording. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got the special price for me today? That then, please, over.
Yep, 162.9 and 182.7.
That was an absolute treat. Thank you very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today? That's end, please, over.
Yep, 162.9 and 182.7.
Well, that was an absolute treat. Thank you very much. And 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, we can't ask for more than that. So we had to swap camcorders. So it's going to be slightly different audio and that. We'll go over to our base station. We'll see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic and also the factory original mic, which is so far untested. So we'll go through to our Midland 76900 base station, which has exactly the same chassis as this radio, and see what it sounds like.